Hi everyone, and this is just a quick video to go through column method for addition, and this is without crossing over the tens. So first of all, I'm just going to have a quick look at my number sentence. So this one over here is in fact my number sentence of 22 plus 24, and I need to find the answer just here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to take a look at my first number. In this case, my first number is 22. Now if I have a look at my number 22, I know if I put that into a place value chart, into my tens and my ones, I've got 2 ones and 2 tens. If I was to draw that, I would draw 2 ones and I would draw 2 tens, which would look something like this. To put that into the column method, I take those two numbers, the 2 ones and the 2 tens, and I put them over to here. Now it's really important for me that all of our work is kept nice and neat and tidy, so I always say one number for one square. So I'm going to put my 22 into my boxes over here. One number, one square. And again, I'm going to label them for my tens and for my ones. After I've done that, I look at my second number of 24. Again, I put them into my place value charts. Tens, ones. I know that I need 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 tens. Draw out my tens there. To put that again into my column method, this time, instead of being on the right hand side, I'm just going to put it straight underneath. So I'm going to put my tens underneath the tens column, and I'm going to put my ones in the ones column. Now I've got my 2 numbers lined up. I'm just going to put a line across the bottom. This tells me that underneath is where my answer is going to be. Now it's also really important to make sure that I use the correct symbol in my column method. In this case it's addition, so it's a plus sign. So I'm going to add my plus sign just here. Doesn't matter which side we put it on, as long as we add it in to show what kind of method we're doing. Now that I've got it all laid out, you can see this is the proper layout for the column method. Now I always say, and you always have to, start in the ones. You always have to start here, guys. Always, always. So you can pretend that the tens aren't there. Just look at your ones column. So you've got 2 and you've got 4. And you need to add those 2 numbers together. 2 plus 4. If you have a look down here at our drawn out ones, you can add them out manually, use your fingers, or you can just know 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now that you've used all of those ones and you've added them together, you can start looking at your tens column. You've got 2 tens and 2 tens. How many tens have you got all together? You've got 4 tens all together. So your answer is 46. Now for this, guys, it's just really important to remember a couple of things. Line up your numbers neatly so they're all in the correct line, and always start with your ones. Good luck.